What's your name, man?
I don't need to tell you.
So what's your relationship with this guy?
That's my boyfriend for about a year now. Oh!
Hey!
You!
On the evening of July 15th, 2022, officers in a quiet neighborhood responded to a 911 call. A concerned neighbor reported a domestic disturbance, describing a woman physically attacking a man. It sounded like a scene from a soap opera, but this was real life. Little did the officers know that this would be no ordinary call.
How's it going, man? Good. Hey, were you just walking with the girl?
Huh?
Were you walking with the girl down Page Street or nothing like that? Okay, we got a call. It's a guy possibly getting smacked around by a girl in a pink shirt. So we're just checking there. You're
I see
good?
someone down there, but
You saw somebody down there?
the pink shirt.
What's all the scratches on your neck, man?
Right here?
Yeah.
Upon arrival, officers located a man walking down the street who matched the description provided by the caller. He had visible scratches on his neck, indicating a recent altercation. The officers attempted to engage the man, but he was reluctant to cooperate.
What's your name, man?
I don't need to tell you.
Yeah. Look, bro. I mean, it doesn't need to be complicated, man. Okay?
I didn't break no laws. I didn't.
I know, but I have a lawful reason to stop you.
No,
Okay?
for what?
Because we got dispatched. You matched the description of the guy that was getting beat up by a girl. Okay? You have injuries on your neck. All right?
It don't matter.
It does matter.
Okay, good.
You don't have an ID on you, man?
No, I don't know.
You don't? What's your name?
I don't feel like I don't need to tell you that.
Okay, you feel like that, but
I haven't broken no laws. You see
I
me
understand.
break the law?
Listen
If
to
I
me.
haven't committed a crime, I don't need to provide you with that identification.
Okay, but listen to me. I'm telling you, okay? Just listen. I have a lawful reason to stop out and talk to you, okay? So you have a lawful reason to identify yourself to me. If you don't want to identify yourself to me, I'll take you to jail for concealing your identity. It's that simple. It's literally that simple.
Bro, what's gonna happen if I tell you my name? You gonna leave me alone? Can I walk away?
We'll go from there, okay? But if you don't tell me your name, you're
I'm
gonna
not
go
gonna
straight to
get
jail,
criminal.
or not take your name and take you straight to jail for concealing your identity.
It's in my identity.
That in itself is a crime. So you are committing a crime at the moment that I could take you to jail on.
So you guys are able to stop someone that's walking on the public street,
Correct.
and ask them for their ID whenever you want.
No, what I'm telling you
then what are you
is
doing?
I was dispatched to this area for a domestic disturbance between a chick with a pink shirt and blonde hair and a male in all black.
Yeah.
Okay? You fit the description. You got injuries on your neck, which means you got beat up by a chick. Okay? So I have a lawful reason. I have a lawful reason to stop and identify you. Okay? That's where I'm laying it all out here for you, bro. I'm trying not to be a dick. I'm trying not to be a douche. Okay?
The man, insisting he had done nothing wrong, refused to provide his identification. Despite the officers explaining their lawful reason for the stop, he remained uncooperative. This escalated the situation, as the officers needed to confirm his identity to proceed with their investigation. Meanwhile, officers approached the female suspect, who was identified by her pink shirt and blonde hair.
Okay, where's your ID?
Right here. There you go. It just expired. That's me. That was my old address. I lived with my parents then. I just graduated high school about 3 years ago, so that's where I'm at now. I came to
New Mexico. So what's your relationship with this guy?
That's my boyfriend for about a year now.
Okay. And so what's going on between you two?
Just a verbal argument, but like you said, we're both at my mom's shop right now. It was nothing extravagant.
She initially tried to downplay the situation, claiming the scratches on her arms were self-inflicted. However, it quickly became evident that she was the aggressor in the altercation.
Okay. It's more than a verbal argument because we had people calling in saying that a female was hanging on the shirt of a male
Like that.
and there was screaming. So
I mean, you can check me and you can go to the shop. And
he's bleeding, you're bleeding.
I mean, you can talk to all of us, though, but no, he didn't do anything like that to me. If anything, it was myself. And my nails. Look at my nails.
Okay,
Right
what
there.
happened?
I scratch myself. I do get pretty crazy myself. I put nothing on him. So
What
I
happened
know
to your
in
knee?
my law enforcement and my dictionary and stuff, you guys can't charge anything.
In your what? Law enforcement?
You know what I'm saying? My rights. And I'm sitting here and telling you right now, like, I'm fine. He's fine. You have an address, you have my ID, I can give you my social security right now. I have no problem with that, sir.
Okay.
It's just, I don't want no problems. This is my man, we had an argument, that's it. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well,
But
I have a problem when
I know that because that's
people
your job,
have.
but it's also when
Okay.
do you ever have another problem?
Okay. Not when someone batters another person in a domestic
Did anyone
violence.
see that, or did they just hear us arguing? Because I yelled like a mother. I ain't lying, it's not even him half the time, it's me.
The female admitted to causing the disturbance, though she attempted to absolve herself of any serious wrongdoing. She said it was just a minor argument that got out of hand. You know, like trying to make toast and setting the kitchen on fire. Her demeanor, however, suggested she did not take the situation seriously.
Okay.
Yes, I will completely say that. I'll go to jail right now for that.
Okay.
That's me. Let's go, baby. Leave him the out of it, bro. You're a f***ing bald ass, f***ing fat, white ass. Go! You.
When the officers proceeded to arrest her, the situation took a violent turn. The female suspect resisted arrest, assaulted the officers, and continued to be uncooperative. Her aggressive behavior necessitated additional restraint measures, escalating the charges against her.
She just broke my glasses.
Bro, chill the out, for real.
At the same time, the man was also arrested for refusing to cooperate with the police. Both were taken into a patrol car.
Stop.
I hope she's gonna buy me some new glasses.
Hang on, let me go get my shot.
Let go of me.
Let go. Let go. Now. Let go. Let go.
Call my Uncle Ryan. Be a. Call my Uncle Ryan.
Stop.
Call him.
Settle down. I'm not calling Ryan.
Can you pick up a woman by yourself?
Okay.
You handcuffs. Shut the up, you.
That's why one cop had you in handcuffs.
Ready for a crowd?
Fucking go, you dirty. That's why your wife knows that you ain't out here doing justice. You're just out here doing justice. Shut the up. You're like this. That's why he has no hair. That's why he's getting on.
Hey, will you get your... Do you have a spit hood, Jake?
Throughout the encounter, the officers maintained their professionalism despite the suspect's continuous aggression. They carefully explained her rights and the charges against her, emphasizing the seriousness of her actions.
One request.
Yes, ma'am.
Go tell my mom right the now I'm gonna go into jail.
Okay.
For him. No, I'm getting off the
Turn
floor.
this
Go tell her.
Turn this way.
Go tell her.
Turn this way. Roll on
Go
your
tell
side.
her.
Roll on your side.
Go tell her.
Hey.
Go tell my mom I'm going to jail.
Okay, we will.
No, do it first. Stop.
Mom, she's going to jail.
Go tell her.
Okay, come on.
Alright, game with you, bro.
Sit up. Sit up.
So no one's gonna know I'm going to jail, huh?
She's got a good horse kick. Which side, Jake? This side or the
Bro.
other side?
Either side. Have a seat.
Get your...
Come on, sit up in there.
After confirming his identity, the male was eventually cleared of any wrongdoing and released from the scene. His reluctance to cooperate initially complicated the situation, but the officer's persistence ensured that justice was served appropriately. The female, however, faced multiple charges, including criminal damage to property, assault upon a peace officer, battery upon a peace officer, resisting arrest, and domestic battery. Her actions also constituted resisting arrest and domestic battery, complicating her legal troubles. The officers sustained minor injuries but managed to subdue her eventually. Her case now awaits a court hearing, where she faces significant legal repercussions. This incident highlights the challenges law enforcement officers face daily. Their commitment to maintaining peace and ensuring justice, even in the face of resistance and aggression, is commendable. It also serves as a stark reminder of the importance of cooperation and respect for the law.